बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। उम्मीद है आप खैरियत से होंगे। लेक्चर स्टार्ट होने से पहले हस्बे मामूल आपसे गुजारिश की जाती है कि आप हमारे दूसरे चैनल को ज़रूर विज़िट करें, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद है। उस चैनल में हम इंग्लिश ग्रामर MCQs क्विज़ की वीडियोज़ अपलोड करते हैं। इंशाल्लाह आपको बहुत फ़ायदा होगा। लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, What is the theme of the world is too much with us and how is it developed in the poem? इसका आंसर है, The theme of the poem rests on the bare fact that people of today are so much engrossed. Engrossed कहते हैं मगन रहने को। Engrossed in their worldly affairs, यानी वो अपने दुनियावी काम में मगन रहते हैं। That they have no time to cherish the beauties of nature spread around them. चेरिश कहते हैं ध्यान देने को, यानी वो नेचर की खूबसूरती को ध्यान नहीं देते। The major theme is developed in the beginning that goes on till the end of the poem. The use of figurative language is skillfully employed by the poet that highlights the main idea that though nature is a source of spiritual pleasure, but it is neglected by mankind due to rat race for material gains. Question number 2 है, What is the tune of the poem The World is Too Much With Us? इसका आंसर है, The tune of the poem is quite sorrowful as the poet is feeling sorry for the nature that how it is being ignored by the man. He is worried about this insensitive nature of the people, that how they are indifferent towards nature and have adopted materialistic approach. Wordsworth is pretty much dissatisfied by the loss of nature and human negligence towards the beauty of it. Question number 3 है, What has made people insensitive to the beauty of nature? इसका आंसर है, The materialistic approach towards life has made people insensitive to the beauty of nature. Man is too much busy in his own material world that he simply has no time for nature. People consider that their prime duty is just to work and earn money, and they give secondary importance or even no importance at all to leisure time that is spent in nature. The same pain is also being felt by W.S. Davies as he says in his poem Leisure, a poor life this, if full of care. We have no time to stand and stare. Question number 4 है, What literary devices has been used by Wordsworth that give richness to the meaning of the poem? Answer है, The literary devices that has been used by Wordsworth giving richness to the meaning of the poem are as under: personification. He has used personification as he says, Sea that bears her bosom to the moon, sleeping flowers, suckled in the creed outworn, and the winds that will be howling at all hours. Second है allusion. This literary device is used by Wordsworth as he has taken references from Greek mythology like Proteus and Triton. Third है simile. The only simile used in the poem is that of sleeping flowers. ये MCQs में भी पूछ लिया जाता है. Simile, the only simile used in the poem. तो इसका आंसर होगा स्लीपिंग फ्लावर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है व्हाट इज पर्सनिफिकेशन? पिक आउट सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ इट फ्रॉम द पोएम द वर्ल्ड इज टू मच विद अस। इसका आंसर है personification is a type of metaphor and a common literary tool. It is when you assign the qualities of person to something that is not human or alive, such as nature. Wordsworth has used personification in this poem at several places. For example, see that bears bolding to the moon, the winds that will be howling at all hours, sleeping flowers. Question number 6 है write down the rhyme scheme of the poem The world is too much with us. इसका आंसर है The poem is comprised of two stanzas. The rhyme scheme of the poem The world is too much with us follows A B B A A B B A and in sestet कहते हैं किसी भी पोइम में अगर 14 लाइंस हो ना तो उसे सोनेट कहते हैं और उस सोनेट पोइम की लास्ट 6 लाइंस को सेस्टेट कहते हैं। तो यहाँ वही सेस्टेट की बात हो रही है एंड इन सेस्टेट पार्ट इफ ऑब्जर्व्स द राइम स्कीम ये ऑफ नहीं है इज है द राइम स्कीम इज सी डी सी डी सी डी